Step 1. Take the products out of the box and arrange them neatly. Step 2. Remove the original vehicle screws and the rear wheel well guard. Step 3. Confirm the installation position of the nut clips based on the video. Install the nut clips onto the rear wheel well guard. Combine the screws with the washers. Step 4. Place the rear wheel well guard in the correct position. Adjust it to ensure that the wheel guard holes align with the original vehicle holes. Fix the rear wheel guard with the assembled screws. Tighten all the screws. The installation steps for the opposite rear wheel well guard are the same.